Hello everybody, welcome to Hardware Set Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to set custom ringtone on Google Pixel 8. So basically, if you want to set your favorite song or any other sound as your ringtone on Google Pixel 8, I'll show you how to do it. So basically, first up, make sure to download or record an MP3 song or sound, and when you did, you can go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration, scroll down here to Ringtone Alert, click here on My Sounds, click this button right here, and search for a recent file, or just search by the name of your file, click on it, again, and as you can see and hear now, I have set a custom ringtone. So basically that's it, that's how you set a custom ringtone on Google Pixel 8. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.